Good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel. So right now, I'm in a state of disbelief, denial. So a couple of minutes, 23 minutes ago, 1Z Entertainment posted under social media that Pagtatag World Tour Singapore is officially cancelled. Okay, so ang laking effect po nito, not just to the boys, but also to those fans who scheduled, who did everything para okay, I'm in a state of shock. So, okay po. So, yesterday, there were already rumors that Pagtatag Singapore will be cancelled. So, I have a friend there. She went to the venue and checked if that's true. And sabi dun sa venue, the concert is still on. So, medyo napanatag po kami yesterday. And then, yun nga, 24 minutes ago, sabi, canceled na yung Singapore. So, we're waiting for announcement sa Bangkok and Dubai and even Japan if this will proceed. So, ang sabi dito, ticket holders who purchase through sgbookmyshow.com would be refunded through the original payment method. And the refunds will be issued 14 business days. So the concert tickets will be refunded. But again, sa amin po na magta-travel from the Philippines, iba't countries. We have plane tickets already booked. We have accommodations already booked. Ayun. So, ang sakit. So I have a group chat for Pagtatag Bangkok, and everyone worries already if baka isunod na i-announce yung Bangkok. And then there are 18 who already flew from Sydney to Singapore. They just arrived right now. And ang pinakamasakit po sa lahat, yung 18 Singapore, they're at the airport right now, a while ago, waiting for the boys to arrive. They're waiting. They're gonna do airport salubong. So, naghintay sila. So, wala. Biglang in-announce na ito nga. Wala na yung, di natuloy yung Singapore. What can I say? Yakap na mahigpit. Yakap na mahigpit. Mga caps ko. So, let's make the most out of it. So, for me, I'll be flying from Singapore to Bangkok afterwards, and then to Dubai afterwards. I already have the plane tickets. I already have the Dubai visa. As pati yung accommodations ko already there. Even my eSIM, SIM cards are there. I even fix my schedule sa work ko. Filed for leave sa mga days na magka-travel ako. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna push through with my travel. And ayun nga, sinabihan ko din yung mga caps na nandun na yung gagawin namin. So just have, we'll continue with our 18 gathering. Hopefully we have a cup sleeve also sa Thailand. I hope it would also push through. No, Thailand, wala pang balita. But hopefully Bangkok will push through. Kasi ang daming activities. May mga activities din kami doon. Like yung, may mga tuk-tuks na may mga ads sponsored by courtesy of 18 Thailand. Activities, sasakay sana kami doon to promote the concert. So, nakaka-shock lang po. Ang laking effect, sobrang laking effect nitong nangyayari ngayon sa boys, na pati concerts nila is cancelled. And I just hope na, yun nga, 18 and the boys, 1Z boys, Malalagpasan natin lahat to. Yun, Estelle, Pablo, Josh, Ken, Justin. Keep strong. I know sobrang laking dagok nito sa inyo, sa karir nyo, ang laking effect. Sobrang laking effect nito sa itong news na to. But I'm looking forward that makaka-bounce back lahat from this setback. So, yun mga kaps, yakap na mahigpit. And, see you in Singapore. So, tutuloy pa din po ako ng Singapore. Sayang andun na lahat. Naka-check-in na nga ako sa flight ko pa Singapore. So, hindi naman nagre-refund yung airlines unless sila yung nagka-problema. So, yun po. Big hugs to everyone. And hopefully, my next post dito sa YouTube is yung mga gathering namin sa Singapore with other 18. Yakap na mahigpit. And I don't know what to say. Nakakapanlumo lang talaga. Bye guys. Bye.